Hey guys, this is Aaron from PEXUniverse.com, and today we will be unboxing the Magnaclean Professional 2 boiler filter. This is a magnetic boiler filter designed to capture and eliminate magnetic particles in a heating system's water, thus allowing reduction in heating bills and system maintenance. So inside the box there will be a filter with a locking mechanism attached, your inlet and outlet valve with an alignment tool, 2 adapters, and 2 spanner wrenches. So the unboxing I just did was for the Magnaclean Pro 2, which is Adey's best-selling model. It's designed for majority of residential heating systems on the market. We also have the Magnaclean Micro 2 model. It's ultra compact but still effective, best suited for smaller baseboards / radiators and radiant floor heating systems. This Magnaclean is ideal if you're dealing with tight installation spaces. Then there's the Magnaclean Pro 2 XL model. It features a large connection and bigger magnet than the Pro 2 model and is best suited for larger systems with high flow rate and systems which have a lot of cast iron components such as cast iron radiators, cast iron boilers, and cast iron circulators. The Magnaclean works like this. The magnet sits at the center of the flow path, actively trapping circulating debris to the sheath. The captures create 2 reverse flow capture zones. As suspended debris enters a filter, magnetic debris is captured in the main chamber while the 2 reverse flow captures more magnetic particles. On top of your filter there is an air bleeder valve which is designed to remove the air from your filter when servicing. You can use a flathead screwdriver or an air bleeder key to release the air like I'm doing here. At the bottom of the filter there is a drain port with a plug. It's designed specifically to be very low profile, helping achieve compact installation where space is limited. You'll use this to drain your system's water while servicing your Magnaclean. So with your small spanner you can loosen the plug and tighten it for opening and closing. On the filter there is a locking mechanism which enables to remove the valve from the filter with one swift movement. This is one of the benefits of the Magnaclean, quick and easy installation and detachment. Turn the red dial until it touches the filter to lock and turn it away from the filter to release it. There is also an inlet and outlet valve which has a compression nut and rings attached with the alignment tool, and isolation valves. The inlet and outlet valve have an inline design and a rotating valve which allows installers to customize the job to fit almost any space with maximum flexibility and minimum hassle. With the piping you can slip it right in with a ring and compression nut and then tighten with the wrench. The ring makes a permanent attachment but the compression nut is unscrewable. When servicing your system you have to cut the water flow off by turning your isolation valves. You can do this by using a small spanner and turning the valve. To open the filter use the big spanner to remove the lid. Inside there is a sheath which you could remove from the magnet and clean and put back together. That's another benefit of the Magnaclean. It offers a quick servicing and reinstallation within a few minutes. We also have in stock Adey's automatic air vent for Magnaclean. It's designed specifically to replace a default air bleeder valve on the Adey's Magnaclean boiler filter and convert them to an air and dirt separator. So in closing, Magnaclean is one of the best boiler filter options because of its compact profile for tight spaces, its rotating filter connections which allow customizing installation options, its low profile drain valve and built-in air vent for easier maintenance, its ability to reduce heating bills, and reduce carbon emission. So that will be our unboxing for today. If you feel like this video was helpful, leave a thumbs up, and if you think there's anything we could do better, leave a comment under the video. Also, check out our website at PEXUniverse.com. We are fully stocked with 80 Magnaclean magnet boiler filters and parts.